Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Ultrapro remote is set to the LG device profile and the TV is powered on. Once done, press and hold the device button until the LED blinks, then release to enter code mode. Make sure to position yourself within 3 feet of the TV so the IR beam registers reliably. If you have the code list, keep it visible. If not, prepare to use the remote's automatic search. This step primes the remote to accept pairing or code entry. You now either type the LG code from the list or initiate the remote's auto search. For manual entry, key in the digits. You'll see the LED confirm the input. For auto search, press and release the search or power button repeatedly. Each press sends the next code. Once the TV reacts, volume change, power toggle, or menu, stop pressing and immediately press the device button to lock that code. This confirms the remote learned the correct command set for your LG. You finish by thoroughly testing core functions: power, volume, input selection, and menu navigation to ensure full compatibility. Once the remote controls all expected features, save or exit programming according to the Ultrapro procedure so the code is retained. If a function misses or behaves oddly, first replace batteries and repeat the auto search. Sometimes one extra search cycle finds a fuller command set. If it still fails, try a different code from the LG list.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.